Hi, I want to explain to you the very simple applications that I've just made. I will explain to you about how I arrange the layout and insert text, image and button to the applications. First of all, I will explain to you the parent layout over here. I choose linear layout instead of relative layout, where you can have uh, text, image, button, whatever aligned relatively to the parent. I don't use that because I only have a very simple requirement for my applications. As you can see over here, um, everything is aligned on the center, and only 4 view over here. You see uh, text view, image view, text view, and a button view over here, right? um, I've changed the color of the background into this color. This is a hex code which represents this color, and I choose the orientation vertical, so everything will be aligned vertically from the text view, image view, another text view, and this button over here. Alright, I'll move on to explain the text view. Text view is a view to explain, be able to write text. So you will be able to align the text view. So for example, over here I want to align it to the center of the layout. So I choose this Android layout gravity equals center, and I want to have a little bit of margin at the bottom of the layout, so it will have a very narrow gap, 5 dp gap between the text view and the image view over here. And this is where I type happy birthday YSK, and it will appear over here. The layout width and the layout height is wrap content, so it will adjust to the how big the text displayed on the layout, the text layout over here, right? And I styled the text to display bold, and this is where I choose the size of the text 25 sp. And this image layout make this image appear. What I've done to make this image appear on the applications is I upload image ysk.jpg over here to the drawable folder on the Android Studio, and after that I mentioned the source at drawable/ysk, and it will display this image on the applications. And I choose the layout width and layout height to match the parent, and I choose the layout weight equals to 1. So basically what it means is I want to have this image to have the maximum size possible after another layout is displayed on the screen, and format it according to the command over here, right? And another text view to insert from yours over here. Same layout width, layout weight, wrap content. Almost the same with the first text view that I have. The only difference is I don't use the text style equals to bold over here, so the appearance of the text is quite different. And the reason why I insert a button layout over here, because I want these birthday applications to be more interactive, so not only displaying this birthday card, but also if she press this button over here, another screen will pop up, and it will be much more interactive. That's it for my applications. Thank you for listening.